And this area is our first floor. Our first floor is producing the cabinet motor products like this. You can see. We have so many productions here that can measure the COD, BOD, ammonia, nitrogen, and the different heavy metal analyzer. This area is the analyzer assembly area to do the installation here. And this area is the welding area. We also have some machines to do a test here, for doing a test like this. We also have another factory in Shanghai. It's our technology team for developing the new product and the new technology. Yes, that's all.